Hi everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we're going to draw Ironhide from Transformers Animated. In the Transformers movie, Ironhide is the muscle of the group. He's a really strong guy and relies on his cannons. Let's get started. So, when drawing Ironhide, you must start with the eyes. And, well, there we go. There's his head. So, in Transformers Animated, Ironhide was destined to be an elite guard trooper. And, well, based on his design, he has the special ability to change to an iron state and turn metallic. Not even Sentinel Prime could penetrate it. And, well, as seen in the fan-made Season 4, Ironhide took on a vehicle mode of himself, an Earth vehicle form, of course. A vehicle form like this, which I'll explain next time. Let's get started. Alexa, what is Jurassic Park?
Originally based on a book by Michael Crichton, Jurassic Park is a 1993 action film starring Sam Neill, Laura Dern, and Jeff Goldblum. A pragmatic paleontologist visiting an almost complete theme park is tasked with protecting a couple of kids after a power failure causes the park's clone dinosaurs to run loose. The film is 2 hours and 7 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 8.1 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 896,000 votes, and is rated PG-13.
Okay, so Jurassic Park is one of my favorites. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
So we just draw the gills here. There we go. You know, for some reason, I've always wanted Ironhide to be one of the main characters in Transformers Animated, along with a few others. There we go.
Everybody needs to call their mark. Stand alone in the victory circle. Stick the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. And what you learn will come together. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude.
There we go. There's the finger. Finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4. There's Ironhide's foot. And here's his second foot. This video goes out to you, Ironhide.
Everybody wants to make a statement. Everybody needs to call their mark. Stand alone in the victory circle. Stick the claim when the music starts. Give it all you got. You can be the very best ever. Take your best shot. What you will learn will come.
There's the legs.
It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all. Be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto. It's a whole new world we live in. It's a whole new way to see. It's a whole new place with a brand new attitude. But you still gotta catch 'em all and be the best that you can be. Pokemon Johto.
There we go. Last but not least, this part, this panel. And there. That's how you draw Ironhide. What, you think I'm gonna stop there? That's right, folks. Ironhide is here to stay. So, this is Ironhide's vehicle form. This is how he looked in the movie. Minus this cannon. Awesome feature, huh? This is what he originally looked like. Anyways, this one goes out to the Ironhide in the original movie. Now let's get transforming. So to transform Ironhide, you must take the doors and push them open. So anyways, Ironhide's vehicle form is based on the GMC vehicle. Trailer car, kind of like how my Uncle Paul has it. Which is an awesome deal. There we go. Now to press this button, pull it down. The shoulder pads go up. Now you just take this piece and detach them. This GMC trailer car transforms into Ironhide. Now we just take the arms and pull them down. Oh shoot. You just need to move the arms up here. Make sure this thing doesn't pop off. Now you just take this part and it snaps into place. And this piece rotates. Let me just put the back piece and put it down. And then spin it around. Now you just take the head and pop it up. There we go. This piece snaps into place. There's the Autobot mark on his feet. Just split them apart, and then unfold the legs. There. Take this piece, fold it into here. There. There we go. Take this piece and fold it back. There. And last but not least, we just take the shoulder cannons here. We just snap this off. There are panels here that plugs them into place. And there he is. And that's how you build Ironhide. Hold on, I think the cannons are on backwards. There we go. Press this panel here and it shoots the cannon. There we go. So, guys, who's your favorite Autobot from the Transformers line? Oh, hold on, forgot to put these down. There we go, extra shade. So, who's your favorite Autobot from the Transformers movie? And what was your favorite scene involving them? Do you prefer their vehicle modes or their robot forms? Leave a comment below on which one is your favorite. And be sure to leave a comment below on which Autobot you want me to draw next. That's how you draw Ironhide. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment below on what character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Ironhide. Until we meet again.